First, you're going to go to View Shop. Next, you'll go down to Listings, Add a Listing, and I'm already in the pop-up window. Next, you're going to add photos. I already have my photos. You need to put a photo in before you finish your listing or save it as a draft. Next, I'm going to rearrange the photos. You can also see that you can edit it, change the size. I like to have my listings as square. That way the viewer gets a better look at your item. Next, we're going to put a catchy and very descriptive title. I'm going to use women's vintage 1980s blazer. I'm going to describe it a little bit more, so it's extra long, also has short sleeves. And it comes in a size 10/12. Next, this is about the listing. This is a vintage item, so it's made by another company or person. It's a finished product and it was made in the 1980s. You're going to use the drop down bars to categorize your listing. I did clothing, women's listing, and then jackets and coats. Next, you'll add the price and either apply shop tax rates. You can set up your listing so you manually or automatically renew your listing. The description is super important. I like to put all of my measurements, the title, the era, what it's made out of, the condition. As you can see, I fill up a lot of this box. This is going to be where buyers decide if they're going to buy your item or not. So you really want to beef that up. Then section, this is my own section of my own shop. You can also pick a shipping profile. Again, these are my profiles for my shop. Now, I've talked about this before, tags. Tags are so important. These are what people are going to put in the search Etsy search engine. So I'm going to add women's vintage, vintage jacket. You want to use these search terms to your best advantage. So you really want to try to use all 13 tags. As I type in the 13 tags, you'll see that there's occasion, style, and recipient. Those you're going to definitely want to explore more. There's several options that you can pick that are really specific to your listing. From there, you're going to add the material. A lot of this stuff is put in here so you don't have to answer the customer's question. They can just come to your listing and get all the information. Going back to the occasion, style, and recipient, you can already see some examples of the drop-down menu. I'm going to pick women, and remember each listing costs 20 cents. Once you've done that, you're going to go to View Shop, and newest listings show up first. Click and drag down. You'll see your item, the description, and everything you've added to your listing. Here is your vintage Etsy listing. Thanks for watching.